Hi guys, welcome to JojoTV.
This is my Lord, my life, my God. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Hi guys, welcome to JojoTV. Today we are here at Fort Lauderdale. I think I said that right, Fort Lauderdale. It is my very first time laying over here as far as I remember. I may have been here, but I just cannot recall when. So I'm calling it my first time here. So I think I'm gonna go to the beach. I just texted my colleague and asked her if she'd like to come with me. But either way, I may go by myself or with her. So I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. I've been in the sun for about 20 minutes, so I do like 10 minutes in the front, 10 minutes in the back, and I'm all set. I'm just gonna go dip my feet into the water and go back to the pool area. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, the sand is very hot. Whoa, it's pretty warm. So nice. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. Trying not to get my cell phone wet. I'm gonna try to get a little bit deeper, but it's very shallow water. I've been maybe about, I don't know, 10 feet from the shore. and it's still pretty shallow. So I'm just gonna go pretty much dunk and get some water on me. Woo! Woo! All right, I got water. Okay, I'm good. Oh my gosh. All right. Gotta get back to the shade. I am back, you guys, here in my room. We had a great time. We pretty much just went to the sun for a little bit because it was so hot. It was like the hottest of the day. So the hottest hour of the day. And we decided just to do like about 20-30 minutes in the sun, and then we stayed a little bit in the shade, just kind of hang out. And then, you know, we were gonna order some cocktails, and we didn't bring our IDs, and they ID everyone. I said, you know, you don't have to ID me. I am definitely old enough to drink. And they said they just ID everyone, and we both didn't have our IDs with us. So yeah, I usually have it with my cell phone, but you know, I put it on my other ID, I guess, and I forgot to bring it. And I didn't actually know that we were gonna drink. So anyways, we made a different plan. Now we're actually gonna have dinner together. We're gonna go to a seafood restaurant. I made a reservation for 4:00 p.m. Look at that. Very, very, very organized. We have a reservation. And that's in about 10 minutes. So we're gonna leave pretty soon. I'm just gonna text her and we're gonna meet at the lobby. And then I'm going to show you what we're gonna have. I think this is gonna be exciting. I don't usually go out, as you guys know. And when I do, it's mostly like Japanese, you know, Asian restaurant. But this time we're gonna go to a seafood restaurant, and I think I'm gonna like this one. I already checked the menu and I kind of have an idea on what I'm getting. And yeah, we'll just show you when we get there.
It's really good.
Oh my god, the avocado.
I love avocado. Apparently there's this thing where it's an avocado margarita where they blend a slice of avocado into the margarita.
Hey guys, I am back. I had another great time with my colleague. We had tacos, and I think we ordered fish tacos and beef tacos or steak tacos, and then we shared, you know, one of each. Then I had, what did I drink? Margarita on the rocks, and I think she had some sort of mojito, frozen mojito. That's what she had. And I tasted her mojito. It's great too, but I definitely like my margarita better. And I wish the taco is like double portion. You know, I had pretty much 2 pieces and she had 2 pieces, and I feel like I could totally eat the whole thing. But anyways, it was such a great time. We had a great talk. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot to mention the seafood restaurant we're supposed to go. Oh, it was hilarious. I made a reservation at the seafood restaurant that we were supposed to go. And that location that I made a reservation for 2 at 4:00 is in New York. It's in New York City. And obviously we're not in New York City. We are here in Fort Lauderdale. So we didn't end up eating seafood. So we still have some fish tacos. So I guess that's some sort of a seafood fish. But yeah, I made a reservation in New York at 4:00 from Fort Lauderdale. So that's what I did. It was exactly the same name of a restaurant that was we supposed to go here, that I thought it was here. And it's also the same in New York. So I don't know why I didn't realize the number. I guess I don't know the New York area code. But anyways, yeah, the seafood restaurant didn't happen, but we still had a great time with our tacos. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you are still here on this very, very just chill, fun, relaxed video with me, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to share this video with someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, JojoTV. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah!
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the tide. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see. This is my look, my